Well, neighbors are expecting to see bulldozers this week, but the fight to stop a six-story hotel from going up in Amherst is not over. Some homeowners claim the building will ruin their neighborhood. News 4's Lou Raguse has been following this heated battle since December. Lou?
Well, Jackie, the neighbors still have hope. The state Supreme Court will rule in their favor to stop construction of the Hyatt Place Hotel. But leaders from Iskolo Development say they aren't waiting for the court ruling to begin work. The view in the backyard of Karen Butler's home currently features a pond surrounded by tall trees whispering in the wind. When they built their home 4 years ago, they thought they'd live there forever.
My husband and I planned to live here until they took us out and, on stretchers.
The view, trees and all, could soon be replaced by a six-story Hyatt Place hotel. Iskolo Development contacted the Butlers and the other families living on Livingston Parkway to tell them construction will start very soon. Also this week, the residents' lawsuit reaches the state's Supreme Court. The executive vice president of Iskolo told me as early as this week they plan to start working on the foundation of the hotel. And he added they don't need approval from the court to really dive into the construction project. The land was actually sold to Iskolo by one of those residents on Livingston Parkway. Iskolo says the land has been zoned for general business since 1976. The homes were all built in the last 10 years. Therefore, he says this is a simple matter of these folks not having done their homework before purchasing their lot and building their homes. He says the residents are now infringing on Iskolo's property rights. The residents don't see it that way. They blame the town of Amherst for not listening to them. And even if the bulldozers do start this week, they're hopeful for a victory in court. If not, if they do all the work and it ends up looking how you think it will you move out of here?
Yes. Yeah. We're going to have a very tough time finding someone to buy our home.